Welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy home decor DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree items. With that being said, now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using this plastic plate that I got from the Dollar Tree. This comes in a 4-pack and this welcome sign that I recently found. I removed the bow and the hanger, and I grabbed a piece of wood that I already had so I can put it in the middle of the plate. Now you can use Jenga block, but it is going to be a little bit more out. I felt like this piece of wood was perfect. Now I'm going to just glue the welcome sign in the center and add some greenery. The greenery I'm using is from Walmart. I cut 2 pieces of this pick, tied them together, and then I glued it to the welcome sign. For the hanger, I will be using the piece of string, or not string, I'm sorry, the piece of ribbon I removed from the sign and just gluing it in the back of the plate. Now for this to be sturdy, I did cut 2 pieces of popsicle stick and glued them for extra support. And that is it. Look how beautiful this welcome sign turned out. It was so easy to make. For my next project, I will be using this long side that I got from the Dollar Tree, this wall mount rack, which now it comes in 3 different colors, white, black, and silver. And from Walmart, I'm going to use these paint stir sticks, which I really like because they don't have like the numbers on the back, and the color of this is so pretty, so I don't even have to paint them. Now I'm going to just cut this to size, or just cut right here, and then I'm going to glue that part at the bottom. The reason I'm gluing this is because the rack needs something more to hold on to than just that thin piece of sign from the Dollar Tree. I was going to use the screws, well, not those screws that came with the rack because those are too big, but some other screws that I had left over, but my drill wasn't charged. So instead, I grabbed these little like thumbtacks, I think, and I used those instead. But I do want to go back and drill some screws on here instead. Right here, I'm just showing you the screws that came with this, which were way too big. So I do end up switching it for some smaller ones that I had. For the next step, you can use a lot of different things. Dollar Tree does carry wood signs that you can use. For instance, this one right here that says home. I didn't like the whole arrow thing, so I do end up removing that, but you can leave it if you like to. Also, you can use your Cricut to cut something out, like the word welcome. You can do so many things to this sign, but like I said, I did remove the arrow, then I glued this in the center. I did use a little bit of watered down white paint and painted the home sign. I then added some sawtooth hooks to the back of this, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. My next project is absolutely my favorite one. So from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to use 2 of these large signs. Now these come in 3 different colors. There's brown, there's black, and white. But I'm using these 2. I'm going to remove the hanger, then using the leftover paint stir sticks that I used earlier, I am going to cut these 2 sides and then glue them one on each side. Now you have this large blank sign that you can add anything to this. What I decided to do is add a wreath that I am going to make using this beaded wreath thing that I got from the Dollar Tree and these Dollar Tree floral picks. I am going to cut these and tie them together. I will not be gluing the greenery to the wreath. Instead, I'm going to tie it, and I'm going to tie the bow as well. The bow I will be adding, I made it out of a Hobby Lobby ribbon. Look how beautiful it is. Now, to hang the wreath, I'm going to use a piece of the ribbon and just make like a little hanger to this and glue it to the sign. To finish this off, I will be adding this home sign that I got from the Dollar Tree a while back. I did paint like the top part black, and that is it. I'm going to just glue it underneath or below the wreath. And that is it. Look how beautiful this large sign turned out. It is absolutely my favorite one. And that is it for these quick and easy Dollar Tree DIYs. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.